Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this little penguin is a wobbler toy from Hape. This musical wobbler is great for babies. It used to keep our little one entertained, especially during tummy time. I would set this right in front of him and he would watch it wobble around and start touching it himself to see it wobble and to hear the music. And he still likes to play with it to this day. It's the perfect size, especially for tummy time, because it's at their eye level, so they can play with it, have fun with it. And even at this age, he can grab it so easily and play with it, wobble it around. It's so cute. I love the colors. They're so bright. The little arms move up and down, and the design is just too cute, especially with the wooden bottom. So if you're looking for a fun toy for your little baby, definitely check out this penguin wobbler from Hape. They're gonna love it. It's so cute, and that's my point of view.